Genesis customer is somebody who is more of an older person, maybe 50 plus, maybe kind of wanting a luxury car without paying a big luxury price. They don't want to buy the Lexus, they don't want to buy the Jaguar, they don't want to buy the Mercedes because those cars are going to cost them 30, 40,000 or above more, but they still like all the stuff, the buttons and whistles on the car. That is a Genesis customer. The customer who likes that power behind a V8 engine, the 5-point V8 engine, it's got 429 horsepower. That is the kind of customer they want. They want all the goodies, buttons on there, luxury stuff on the Genesis, but they don't want to pay 100 grand for a car when they can get that same stuff for $50,000 and still get the greatest warranty in the business, 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty. That is a Genesis customer right there.
Genesis is a luxury car. It's a luxury car to compare with Mercedes and BMW. And in my opinion, it's a better car. I mean, you have a better warranty, you have a better price, you have all the same amenities and features, and you won't get nothing else for the price you pay for a Genesis.
Right. I mean, if they're going to travel a lot, especially if you got people who are retired and they're coming down to Tennessee and going back up north, and they don't want to drive 8-9 hours in a car that's going to beat them to death driving that. They give you how the Genesis will, and they're so comfortable while they're driving that they feel like they never even went on a trip. And of course, we all know the older we get, the harder trips are. And this customer here wants a luxury ride where they don't have to worry about being beat to death on the highway and not feeling every little bump on the highway. You just feel nothing but smoothness and just driving on down the road.
A lot of car for the money. And if you compare it in the industry, let's tell you take a Genesis and compare it with a BMW, the 7 Series or the 6 Series or something like that. You're paying $20,000 more for that BMW, and you've got a better car.
And such a luxury ride, you cannot beat it.